In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a user in Google Workspace. Archiving a user is particularly useful if you need to retain a user's data long-term, or if an employee leaves your organization but you still want to keep their work intact. This process ensures you have access to all necessary information without cluttering your active user data. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Workspace. Once you're on the main page, click on the admin console, which is listed in the menu. Log in using your business email and make sure you have the necessary administrative privileges to make changes. Locate the Google Apps menu in the top right corner of the screen, represented by a grid of small squares. Click on it and then select the admin icon. This will take you to the main dashboard where all administrative options are available. From the dashboard, navigate to the directory section on the side panel. Click on Users and you'll see a list of all active accounts in your organization. Find the user you want to archive and check the box next to their name to enable additional actions. Now, click on the More Options drop-down in the toolbar and select Delete Selected Users. Don't worry, this won't permanently delete anything yet. A new option will appear labeled Archive User. Click on it and the user's data will be safely stored without being part of your active user base, keeping your workspace organized and efficient. A step-by-step guide to archiving a user in Google Workspace. This method helps you manage active users effectively while retaining important data securely.